everyone, welcome to the Web3 Education Investment. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about the NFT. Not only just talk about that, I'm going to actually show you how you can make that NFT connection on Singular. So actually, I'm going to make my first NFT connection on Singular, and that NFT connection I will keep adding picture, the new NFT, and I probably will give some NFTs, like I will give it out to anyone who are interested. And so don't forget to leave a comment if you are interested in this kind of NFT, and feel free to ask any questions. I would be happy to share all of my experience. Okay, so now let's go. So first of all, you should go to the website, and the Singular website. You can see all of your NFTs. So those are all the NFTs I already have. This Remark NFT. They look very cool, right? If you watch my previous video, you know how I got them for free. But anyhow, now let's going to make our own. So first of all, go to the crate. It's not that difficult actually. So create, you have some options, like you can go to the arcade on the Kusama. You can go through the state mine. You can go through the Moon River, but this is not there yet. And so I want to make the NFT under the remark, so I will choose this one and like use this option. I can also send it. I can even sell it. Okay. So of course, I don't know how many people will buy that. But let's just go ahead and make one. So I will select NFT. So this is NFT. First of all, you have to create one connection. So this connection, you could have multiple NFTs in that connection. So I'm going to create one. Now they are going to ask you like to pick one logo. So I'm going to create the connection. The name would be the AI souvenir. So AI souvenir. That's one like I'm going to create. It's all made by AI, and I hope that it's a very cool gift. I really appreciate the technology, appreciate the AI, and I'm going to choose one. So the first one is a panda shopping in the supermarket. So I'm going to use that one as a logo because this looks cool, and this is by the AI. So the name would be AI. AI souvenir. How do you spell that? Let me just copy that. Okay. AI souvenir. Okay. So that's going to be my connection. The maximum. Okay. Maximum. So I want to make it unique. So of course you can make it unlimited. That means you can just publish as many as you want. That will just make your NFT project not that unique, right? So we want to make it limit. So now we need to make it a number, like put a number, like how many pictures or how many NFTs finally you are going to have for this connection. I will put a good number, 888. Okay, so those are all the total number of NFTs I can make. The symbol, that's AI. Let's see if we can just use AI. Okay, that's fine. So now we need to have a description. So this one you can put anything. The artificial intelligence, right? Intelligence as widely used in multiple field. Let's explore how it can do in the art. Thank you, AI, for making those cool NFT, right? So that's just That's just like some random description you can put. And if you have a website, you can put it here. I'm not going to put it. I will just create. Okay. And so that's all you need to do. Just oh, this is too short. Sorry. AI symbol. We just use AI. Wait, that be too long? AI what? Give me a name. What kind of a name can I have? This is a unique identifier. It can be any string or letter. And just click. Okay. This is a name. Okay. So we'll just put artificial intelligence. Would that be too long? Maybe. Let's say okay, it works. So AI, we can put it there. Okay. And so now you are going to create this connection, and it's going to ask you to sign. So I'm going to sign that, and I think that's it, right? I think I create my first connection. And okay. And obviously, I need to add some new NFT, right? I have to mint that, so I need to add more pictures to this one. Let's see what kind of things we're going to see like after you mint the connection. So where is the option we can add? So now we have the connection. So if you notice here, okay, so this is a connection. Yeah, actually it's cool. AI souvenir. So it's actually cool with this panda. Now you can click that, and then you can upload some file. You can upload some file and give it a name, right? So now I'm going to choose a file, and we're going to mint the first one. The first one is mushroom in the space. So we're going to have the AI draw this kind of mushroom. So this is a cool one actually. And then like I'm going to make it the name as we're going to use a unique name. So I'm going to use this name. Okay, and the description, that's a AI generated mushroom in the space, right? So that's very cool. Royalty, we can just put 5, and then now there's an option like, do you want to make it redeemable NFT or not? So this means like if this is redeemable, that means others cannot see what's inside until they just buy that, right? So if you want to make it like a gift box, right, and people don't know what's inside, so let's say like if I generate hundreds of those NFT, and and then like they are all the box, and you pay, you buy that, and then you will see what's inside. It's kind of a just a random box. But obviously this one I don't need to make it, because you already see this picture, so you know what is there, right? So I'm going to just create, and so this should create our first image, I think. So this will be the first one. I will just need to sign. And it's going to mint my first NFT. So the Synchronous website is going to handle everything. So this NFT, they're going to store that decentralized. So I believe that's IPFS. So they just store that in a decentralized way. So you you never need to worry about it's lost or you cannot get it. So so it will be always there like on the internet. Okay, so that also means you should be careful if you want to mint one NFT. Make sure that's not some kind of a picture you don't want to share. So just wait, and while it's going to mint my NFT, and now it's done, resource submitted. So now after the resource submitted, right, you can see that now. So now this is the one like you can okay, it's it belongs to this connection, and this is AI souvenir wall, right? This is the first wall. And obviously you can keep going. Like you can create a new NFT, or you can just choose this wall, and then let's meet another one to just show you what's happening. So this is a very cute salmon fish in the space that's also generated by the AI. So AI generate cute salmon fish in the space, let's say. So we'll still do the same thing. Okay, so this is the second wall. So the serial number is 2, right? So we will just create, and it's going to be the same. What you need to do, just need to sign, I think. And then like you are going to get this new NFT. So now you are minting your new NFT. So now our connection, right? We already have one like one mushroom, right? Now we're gonna add the 7 fish. So now we have 2 NFTs in my connection. So now after I mint them, the next step would be like you can either sell them, you can also send it to others, right? You can just give it to others. And normally this kind of NFT, it's not really like not worth much. So I would say like we can try to list that, maybe sell as a 0.05 KSM or something like that, and then like we will see how other people think about this kind of NFT. But obviously this one, like I will see if any of you are interested. Leave a comment and tell me what kind of NFT you want to have. Then I can use AI to generate this NFT for you, and then maybe give it to you. So this would be the NFT we have. But keep in mind, my connection, I can only give 888. So it's kind of a limited, and you can see that now. Okay, so this is the first one, right? Now you can list it for sale. So let me just show you, okay? So I will just list it, and as I said, we'll just make it 0.05. And so there will be a service fee and the royalty. Okay, you will get this much. Okay, so if I successfully sell that, I have to pay those fee, and I'm going to get around $3. Okay, so but anyhow, let me just go ahead and list that. So this would be my first like NFT connection, and also my first NFT that's on the market, right? Anyone can buy that now. So you can also search that, I think. What kind of name did I use? I think you can search with this AI souvenir. So maybe use AI souvenir. I forgot, actually. I just remember I just use artificial intelligence, right? Yeah, okay. I need to rewatch the video, but let's see, like if you go to the connection, right? And then you can search. So there are a lot of NFTs there, right? And then you can search, like you can search the AI souvenir. Oh, it's not there. Oh no. Artificial intelligence. I don't know. Oh, like this one, I didn't verify that. I need to find a way to verify, but if you just search that, it's not there. I don't know. I don't know how to search that. That's a problem. I need to find it. So obviously you can see that from the latest one. Like this is what I have mean, right? That's a Kusama Mogo. Okay, so they mean something, but maybe the next thing is I need to verify that maybe. Okay, so you can search the name in the NFT, but the connection, I don't know what kind of name. Oh, sorry, the name is here. Okay, so they probably just list it. But when I search this one, it's not showing up. Okay, so if you search AI, it's showing up. No? Okay. then I don't know if any of you know how to find my own NFT connection. Then let me know. The rewards would be one NFT from me. Okay. Anyway, so I think this would be a very interesting, like very very interesting NFT. And also, I hope all of you enjoy that. I hope all of you now know how to create your own NFT. It's not that difficult actually, right? And hopefully you all enjoyed the this video. Thanks for watching, and if you are interested, if you like this, if you want to get one NFT, don't forget to leave a comment, okay? So I can generate one for you next time. I do have 888, okay? Okay, bye. See you next time.